Hey guys, so I bought a heat press. I ended up buying the dual air fusion. I think that's what it's called, right? Yeah, like this one. Anyways, so I'm gonna press some shirts, so come along. I have the sweaters ready, you know, so I can start pressing. Okay, we're gonna do all of these little fun ones. So let's get started. My machine does have like the lasers on both, but to be honest with you, after using that and now using this, I prefer this little template better. I don't know why, it just works better for me. But anyways, okay, so ta-da! Super easy, like I said, to use the machine. I know that looks kind of scary because it's big, but trust me, super easy. Anyways, so yeah, for the transfers, I sent a lot of mine on this website called Always Blinks. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check them out. Okay, let's go on to the other sweater. Okay, so basically for the settings with these transfers, what seems to work for me is I'll press the shirt for 5 seconds. I'll put the transfer, I'll do 25 seconds, around 324. And then the pressure is like around 90 to 100. And then obviously I'll put the little, whatever these are called, like little transfer sheets on top for 5 seconds. And yeah, like it works. Happy with the results. Okay, so yeah, for this one, I didn't turn off the lasers, but I think I want to. Like I said, that thing took me hours to try to make it as straight as possible. I don't think the lines are straight, to be honest with you. But yeah, so yeah, like I said, what's cool about this one is that it has two, that way, you know, you're able to produce more t-shirts. You know, while this one's pressing, you could set up the other t-shirt and then vice versa. But okay, let's finish the last two that I have and then we'll call it a day. Okay, so the sweaters are done. I'm gonna pack them up and call it a day. But yeah, I'm telling you, obsessed with my new heat press. It's amazing. I feel like it was worth the money. And yeah, okay, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.